First of all, H1 time frame of gold. Since breakout of this ending diagonal chart pattern, price first retraced 50% from upside, then 61% retracement from downside. So retracement level are done for bulls and bears. So first key level are 1673 and 1639. This is our range. Until price break this range, there is a no clear trend, and you can take it as a sideways range. And our main support and resistance which will drive next trend of gold are 1727 and 1614. Since one by one the central bank from G7 country are changing their monetary policy. First was Bank of England when this vertical move was started. Then last week Central Bank of Canada decreased their rate hike size. So new definition of Fed pivot that they will decrease rate hike size from 75 to 50 in December FOMC meeting is main reason behind this gold bullish trend, because 75 basis point rate hike in November FOMC meeting is almost done, or if they raise lower than 75, then gold can jump instantly for upside. And what they say after press conference for December FOMC meeting, that will be important. Then this was first impulsive wave, and this is your ABC flat correction, and next impulsive wave will depend what will happen in December FOMC meeting. So there is a no important news except FOMC meeting. So major trend of gold will decide after FOMC meeting. But H4 time frame, this entire trend from top to bottom, and this can be our ABC flat correction, because there is a possibility this can be election drama, that Fed change monetary policy tone before election, then hike aggressively again after election. In that condition, price can go up, and 1686 will be our first upside target, then 1727 where we can sell. Or if this 1638 level breaks on H4 time frame, then you can start selling, and first target will be 1600, then 1500. But for that we need clear breakout below 1638, and these are our key support and resistance for beginner intraday trader on H4, and which can break after FOMC meeting this week. The first one 1638, then 1686 and 1727. But daily time frame of gold is still bearish. It is making lower low, lower high, and this wave count, the double zigzag has been completed near 1622, and after that we are in correction. This can be flat ABC correction. That is why next target 1730 or maybe triangle. But this is correction, because this top was made 2070 before rate hike, and right now near 1640. When Fed has hiked 75 basis point multiple times, the risk of recession is increasing every day. And now, key reason for gold speculation is Fed pivot, which means that they will slow rate hike size. That means decreasing less than 75 basis point in December FOMC meeting. And many central bank has already done, and Fed will be last. So that can end bear market in gold, because if they keep raising interest rate, then this will only increase risk of recession, and they will force to do emergency rate cut, and it can stay in sideways range on daily time frame until Fed pause and range breakout on rate cut. But this correction has been started. So if daily candle close below 1622, then we can sell with target up to 1560. But first we need clear breakout, because this last leg has retraced 50% at 1673, and this last daily red candle still looks bearish. But big movement will only happen on FOMC day. The weekly time frame, which important for big player, and it is still making rejection below 1643. So if breakout come below 1643 level, then our downside target is still 1560 to 1533 support zone. Or if it goes up on Fed FOMC meeting and they give signal for rate pause after December, then it can go up, and first retracement target based on current price action is 1789. So there is a possibility that this complete trend from top to bottom can retrace and gold make correction on weekly time frame, because now Fed will decrease rate hike size, then pause, then everyone will wait for market crash. Then after correction we can expect 1350 level, because Fed will not cut interest rate until NFP number turn negative and big company announce bankruptcy. But for rate cut we have to wait at least March 2023. Till then we can expect a sideways correction on weekly time frame. And if we go back on H4 time frame, then bearish trend depend on 1638 support. If it breaks, then gold is bearish and it will not stop before 1600. And if this support hold and Fed gives signal for rate pause next year, then it can go up. But first upside target will be 1686.